A very good day to my madam and my fellow friends. My name is Suraj Prasad. My matrix number is 01DP20F2002. I am from class DP2A. So today I'm going to show you my experiment for which is transistor BJT common emitter configuration. This experiment I'm going to show you how I obtain the voltage drop for base VB, voltage drop at emitter VE, voltage drop at collector VC, and the voltage drop at base and emitter VBE. And also I will show you how I obtain the value for the current flow at collector IC, the current flow at base IB, and also the current flow at emitter IE. The equipment which I need for this experiment is multimeter, 9-volt battery, crocodile clip, jumper wire, transistor BD135, 1 mega ohm resistor, and 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. As you can see, this is my connection of circuit. Before I begin, I would like to measure the voltage of the battery. So I set my multimeter to range 10 DC volt. I place my positive probe to the positive terminal of the battery and my negative probe to the negative terminal of the battery. The reading I got is 9.8 volt. Now I'm going to begin my experiment by measuring the voltage drop at base VB. Set my multimeter to range 10 DC volt and I place my positive probe to the base. I place my negative probe to the negative power supply of the battery. The reading I got is 0.5 and I change it to a smaller range. The reading I got is 0.45 volt. Next, I'm going to measure the voltage drop at emitter VE. I set my multimeter to DCO range 10. Then I place my positive probe to the emitter and my negative probe to the negative charge of the battery. The reading I got is 0. Then I change my range to 2.5 DC volt to a smaller range. I place my positive probe to the emitter, my negative probe to the negative charge. The reading I got is 0 volt. Thirdly, I'm going to measure the voltage drop at collector VC. I set my multimeter to DC volt 10 range. I place my red probe to the collector and my negative probe to the negative supply of the battery. I got 0.6. Then I change it to a smaller range 2.5 DC volt. I got 0.60 volt. Fourthly, now I'm going to measure the voltage drop and base and emitter VBE. I set my multimeter to DC volt range 10. I place my red probe to the base, my black probe to the emitter. I got 0.55. Then I set it to lower range 2.5 DC volt. I got 0.45 volt. Settled with voltage. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the current flow at the collector IC. As you can see, in order for me to measure the current flow at the collector IC, I have to pull out this jumper wire and place my black probe to it. Therefore, what I do is I connect my positive supply of the battery to the red probe. Then I set my multimeter to range 2.5 DC milliampere. I place this jumper wire to my negative probe. The reading I got is 1.90 milliampere. Next, I'm going to measure the current flow at the base IB. As you can see, in order for me to measure the current flow at the base IB, I created a junction between the resistor and the base. So I set my multimeter to 50 microampere. I set my red probe to the resistor and my black probe to the emitter. The reading I got is 9 microampere. Lastly, I'm going to measure the current flow at the emitter IE. As you can see, in order for me to measure the current flow at the emitter, I have to pull out this yellow jumper wire which is connected to an emitter and place my black probe. So I set my multimeter to range 2.5 DC milliampere and I place my red probe to the emitter and my black probe to the yellow jumper wire. The reading I got is 1.90 milliampere. That's it. Thank you.